So in some cases, this is what you're dealing with. You're under the East River. Yeah, this is Roosevelt Island. And the water is going to find a fissure that come through. And until that fissure gets sealed up, or wherever this water is coming from, it's going to bring in minerals. You're going to get this rust stain where the water runs in. Yeah, they stopped it. But before you stop it, you can stop it a day or two after it comes in, but it still leaves that rusty residue up. So cleaning crew comes in. Finally, they have the time to clean this station. They give it a thorough cleaning. They have to get rid of all of that rust. And it's from the water. Because wherever it runs, and not necessarily that it comes into a fissure, just metal and water mix causes corrosion, rust. So what happens? You have to get part of the crew to put some extra elbow grease in to get rid of that. Yeah, so it runs, and that's what that pipe involved right there, is to carry the water from the ceiling to the drain itself, straight to the drain, so it doesn't run on the wall and continue that corrosion. So we talk about that rust and how it gets there. And tonight you got a crew cleaning that corner off. Yeah. And can it be done? Well, you only need to look at this side. If you really and truly want to know, can it be done? It can be done. I mean, when it sets in, there's a certain aspect of the damage that is hard to get rid of. You're going to do a intensive cure, but it's possible. I would say that's presentable. This guy can put some elbow grease in. And this is after a little bit of elbow grease and a whole lot of disc sanding. If you pass by it, you can, and you never knew that that was there. You wouldn't be looking to find anything. You would just think it's the natural tone of the wall. Damn good job. Yeah, that's a good job. I'm just wondering what the heck drips out of there. But that's, yeah, it even corrode that. And that's, see that there? Wow. It's supposed to be like that. And that's the other side. So both sides, they got both sides looking good. Drop that back in there, fix that right there. And this station is at normal wear capacity. Yeah, it will be wearing naturally. Gotta find out where that's coming from. Water found some kind of fissure to go into. Yeah, looking good. Whoa. That's a major loss. They're both twins. Well, no. Bottom one. No, I said they're both twins, right? They're not both twins. But you wouldn't guess what the other one is. The one on the floor is a Columbia. And this is the first Columbia I've seen in New York City. Yeah. It's Columbia. Wow. But the twin looked like it's had it. As some of that injury has translated to the frame. Hopefully not.